What up guys, it's Alex. I want to start making these how to fix cable videos for my own records, and I thought maybe someone out there on the YouTube world would learn from it, because I did learn how to make certain cables off of YouTube. So I thought I would start by showing how to fix an RJ45 cable, an Ethernet cable. It's one of the first ones I learned, so shouldn't be too hard here. First thing is getting your connectors. What I use is the EZ Platinum Tool pass-through RJ45 connectors. You pass through the 8 strands of cable in there, and it's easy. Then just cut it, snip it off. Then I have a strain relief, some clear strain relief. I even got some colored little covers for the ends in case you want a color coat. And then pretty much the same concept, RJ1211s for phone lines, but that's 4-wire. Today I just thought I'd show you the Ethernet. So there's the connectors you may need. Then your Platinum Tools all-in-one cutter, shrimper, crimper. I love it. But let me show you the parts here. There's gonna be your straight flush cut. Then this is gonna be your shrimper for your phone lines. It's not a complete circle cable, but then you also have your circle shrimper as well. Get your shrimp off the outer sleeve of the cables right here, and then you got your 6-pin and 8-pin ports to terminate those connectors. So there it is. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna be replacing this guy. What I do here, I'm gonna start with giving it a nice straight cut, flush, boom, off. Then I shrimp away the outer edge of this cable about 1 inch or 1/4 inch. I use this guy, easy. Do a circle, pull, boom. And if you don't have that, you could use a razor, pretty easy as well. Just go nice, just go around it nicely here. There you go. So before I start untangling my strands here, I put my strain relief right through. Let that fly in. Then I detangle all my cords here. Oh, they're not even. Easy stuff. Cool. Now we identify what type of color coordination we're going to put through the connectors, which I use 2 tools here. I got Electrodoc and Electobox. Some cool apps. Here it is. Pinouts, Ethernet port. Here we are. Got direct connection and crossover cable points. Just flipped. But today we're going to be using TIA 568A connection, because that's the way it is on the other end. So what I do now with this guy, I have all my colors here, 1 through 8. Here's your, turn it around so I could see. Boom. I'm gonna start with a striped green, first hole. these are pass through, so you don't have to really measure them out, just pass them through. I recommend, they're awesome, easy, but I do recommend learning the original style as well, measuring it out to its correct. Then I got solid green, striped orange, number 3, boom, getting somewhere. Solid blue, striped blue. Make sure you don't skip a hole by accident. You go to the direct next one right there. Solid orange, striped brown, and solid brown. Here we are. And like I said, since these are pass-throughs, just pull it. Then I get my strain relief. Make sure it's swiveled to the right direction. Here we are. So you're gonna crimp it with this on. Cool. Back to my Platinum Tools crimper. Here we are. Go to the 8-pin. And since just too much access, I could probably just give this a cut. Pass that right through. Make sure it goes. Ready to go. Here we are. So now, testers. Of course, one way you could test it is just plug it into your wall, plug it into your computer, and making sure you have internet. But today I have my Pyle PCT60. It's a 14-in-1 cable tester. But I also have my Triplett CTX 200. This one's only a RJ45 coaxial tester, but it's real cool. It's real nice. And then here it is, the Pyle 14-in-1 tester. It's pretty solid. What I'm gonna do now though, we'll turn this sucker on. We are. And the testers for this one is right here. Out in RJ45. And here we are. We're seeing 3 lights on 1 through 3 pin. That's SW1. You go to SW2 to go through the 4 through 6 pin. Here. So that's looking good. And then you got to go to cable tester mode. You could even send test tone. It's pretty cool. And for the triplet, pull the sucker out. Start with 1 point. Other remote. And then you test. There we go. We got the 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7, 8 all lit up, and with the pass. So it's looking good. And that is how you fix a RJ45 Ethernet cable. Thank you for watching. Until next time, maybe we'll fix a BNC SDI coaxial cable.